Does your Dyson V12 detect slim sound different? Maybe it's not picking up dirt like it used to, or it's making an unsettling whine. The faulty motor problem is a surprisingly common issue that can plague these otherwise fantastic machines. It's one of the top reasons we see these precise models in our repair shop. That powerful suction you rely on? It all comes down to the motor. Essentially, a Dyson V12 detects slim faulty motor means the heart of your vacuum is struggling. Over time, components can wear down, leading to reduced efficiency, strange noises, and ultimately a breakdown. It's not always a dramatic failure, but a gradual decline in performance. Ignoring a struggling motor can lead to worse problems, like complete loss of suction, further internal damage, and a very expensive replacement. Now what? That's where Robocare steps in as your ultimate solution. At Robocare, we don't just fix vacuums, we specialize in precision repair. Our expert technicians aren't just mechanics, they're artisans of appliance restoration. They have extensive hands-on experience with the Dyson V12 Detect Slim and its intricate motor system. We know these machines inside and out, making us the go-to experts for Dyson V12 Detect Slim repair. When you bring your Dyson to us, we don't guess. We utilize advanced diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact nature of your faulty motor, ensuring we address the root cause, not just the symptoms. Whether it's worn bearings, a winding issue, or a control board malfunction affecting the motor, we accurately diagnose the problem and replace faulty components with only genuine parts. But don't just take our word for it, we'll show you the results. And just like that, the Robocare magic happens. After a thorough diagnosis and precision faulty motor replacement by our certified experts, this Dyson is back to its peak performance. Silent, powerful, perfect. Don't let a Dyson V12 detect slim, faulty motor slow you down. For reliable, expert Dyson repair, contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.